Hello guys, I have curiosity cactus with me now, and in this video I show you how I use Alnus compost as growing media. Basically we need a pot with hole, okay, and we need pumice. This is actually mung bean size pumice, and of course we need Alnus compost. This is organic compost, okay, from Alnus trees. And I use these white marble chips and this some more Alnus. Okay, here we go. And actually I don't have the exact measurement for this potting mix, but you guys can use 2 parts of Alnus and 1 part of pumice. I just try to check if this potting mix can sustain my cactuses that I grow indoor. Good to know, it worked well and it seems like it's suitable for my cactuses. So just keep on mixing, as easy as that, and your potting mix it's ready to be used now. Alright, here I have my pot ready, and slowly and gently I remove my curiosity cactus from the poly bag. And as much as possible I don't want to damage the roots of this cactus, so I think it is not necessary to remove all the soil, and I introduce potting mix to the pot now. And as you can see, I still try to adjust the suitable height for this cactus. Okay, from time to time I keep on pressing just to make sure the soil is firm before I put my cactus in the center of this. Alright, and here we go. Just keep on adding the potting mix and aim for the suitable height. Alright, so we're good to go now. It's look gorgeous. Okay, now we need to add this white marble chips. If you guys watch my previous video, I always use this type of toppings to my all cactuses. Okay, and actually I use white marble chips number 15 here as toppings. And aside from giving the nice look for my cactus, I actually use it to support my cactuses that can't hardly stand firm. So it helps keep my cactus stable, sit in the center of the pot. Alright, so I just keep on adding these marble chips, white marble chips. And I hope you guys will consider to use Alnus or any organic compost. Try to add some more pumice just to make sure it will add a good texture for your customized potting mix. Keep on growing in organic way, guys. And as you can see here, I have another cactus that I just repot 2 weeks ago, and during the time I don't have these white marble chips with me, so I will just add this now. So that's it, guys, and here's another cactuses that I repot before. I hope this idea useful for everyone. Thanks for watching and keep safe always. Bye for now.